Hello students, in this video lecture of conic sections, we'll learn about concentric way of drawing an ellipse. Conic sections is our topic, conic sections. Now we have seen how to draw an ellipse by eccentric method. Now we'll concentrate on concentric method. What is the difference between this eccentric method and the concentric method? That is more important. Now concentric, nothing but both the circles share same center. For example, these are two circles sharing same center. Then I can call this as concentric method. Now in eccentric method, both the circles centers are at some offset distance. For example, this is circle number 1, this is circle number 2. Both the circles are aligned, but both are maintaining some offset distance. Now this offset distance is nothing but eccentricity, eccentric or else. Okay. So this is the difference between these two. In concentric, both the circles share same center. In eccentric, both will maintain some offset distance. Now in case of this concentric method, they'll give you in the question, they may give you about details or information related to major and minor axis. Nothing but major diameter and minor diameter they'll give you. Major dia maybe D, capital D, minor maybe small d. You can represent something like this. Whatever the data given in the question, you need to specify the given data in this format. Major, capital D. In this construction also, try to use 2H pencil for complete construction and HB pencil. Try to use HB pencil to draw that particular curve, elliptical curve or parabolic curve or hyperbolic curve. Okay, this is more important. Now we'll go on to actual sketch how to draw. We'll see. Now let us consider this as the given data is maybe capital D is equal to 150 given and small d is equal to let us consider some 80 mm. Roughly I'm considering two values. He's asking to draw an ellipse by using concentric method. Okay. If that is the case, then what I try to do is again similar fashion, I'll try to draw major diameter, one minor diameter concentrically, which will share same center. For that, let us consider this as first circle, okay, then the second one, second circle, okay. When you draw these circles, you need to draw with the help of a compass, okay. Now here let us consider this as the central point. I'll draw one axis line, horizontal, then one vertical, alright. Let us name this, or else now, in case of eccentric way of drawing ellipse also, we have created more number of control points or intersection points. The more you divide, more accuracy you'll get, more number of points you'll get, so that it becomes easy for us to join with freehand. For example, if the same points are placed at some distance, there is a big distance between the intersections, then you can't draw a smooth curve. The curve may be of this kind. It doesn't look like a smooth curve. So the more you divide, more accuracy you'll get. So this is the best way to do. Here also what I do is I'll try to divide the complete circle into number of segments. You can divide it into 8 segments or you can divide it into 12 segments. 360 divided by whatever the number of divisions you want to make it, you will get an angle. Accordingly you can divide that. Fine. If that is the case, I'll try to divide this into number of segments. This is 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 segments I made. Now this will help me at every intersection. I'll get one intersection point so that it becomes easy for us to join. That is the thing. Now if this is the case, what we need to do is, now it is rotating complete 360 degrees. So 360 divided by whatever the number of segments would you like to make. That number you need to give so that you will get an angle. That angle you need to consider to divide this into number of segments. Fine. Let us name this. Wherever this line is meeting with this particular point, I'll name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, major circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then again, wherever it is meeting the minor circle, let us name it as 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4, 5, 6 prime, 7, 8 prime, 9 prime. Let us consider the centered point as O. Now after this, the next level is what we need to do is draw verticals from the intersection of major circle. Nothing but from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Draw verticals up to some infinite distance. Okay. From here I'll drop one vertical. From 2, drop one more vertical inside. From 4, one more vertical. From 5, one more. And from 3 and 6, it is not required because it is already aligned in vertical direction. So from 7, vertically inside. If I vertically go outside, then it is not possible to join the ellipse. So I'll take it in up to some infinite distance, 10, then 11. For 12 also not required, for 9 also not required. Okay, draw horizontal from 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 is not required, 4 prime horizontal, one more from 5 prime, 7 prime, 8, 10, 11. Okay, now when I drop this vertical and horizontal, I'll get one intersection. Let us consider that intersection as P1. If that is P1, next going to be P2. Similarly P3, P4, P5, you'll get P6. Okay, P7, P8, P9. Likewise, you'll get all the intersection points. Now try to join them all, P1 to P12, with the help of 2H pencil again with free hand. Let us try to join them all with the help of 2H pencil. Again, a complete construction we did with 2H pencil only. I'll try to join them something like this. From this 12th point, first curve, second curve, it should go meet the minor circle tangentially and do the follow up something like this. Again the last end point, which is 6, something like this, in a single stroke. Again it will meet the 9th point, it will move something like this. Again from 12, it is going to move in this way, meet it something like this. Now this is the black line, which is somewhat thin. After joining everything, take HB pencil, try to darken the curve, complete curve. This is how we'll darken. Then again this curve, fine. Again this curve, another quarter portion. This is the ellipse, required ellipse, which we got. Now let us name this. This is major circle for your understanding. This is minor circle. These two data will be given to you in the examination, in the question given to you. Fine. Major, minor, followed by all the points P1 to P12, then the ellipse. Okay. This is about how to draw ellipse by using concentric method. After drawing everything, whatever the sketch you draw, after drawing everything, here you need to specify that all dimensions are in millimeters, which is very much essential because here we are not specifying anything like that. This is the major dia of 150 mm, all these things. Okay, 150 can be written. Like for example, if you want to give dimensioning, that can be done with the help of an extension line 1 and extension line 2. Okay, followed by a vertical and an arrowhead with 150. This is unidirectional dimensions what we are giving. Now again complete, consider, if you consider the minor, drop a line top to bottom, place an arrow. This is 80. Never specify a unit followed by a number or number followed by an unit. We have to specify units here because all together we are maintaining millimeters only. This is how we'll draw a concentric way of ellipse. Okay. Thank you for now. If you have any queries, comment in the box given below. Thank you for now.